How to replace the backrest pad on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Remove the softening pad by unzipping the top from the backrest pad. Then, unzip the top of the backrest pad from the chair. Unzip the bottom of the body pad from the foot and calf upholstery, and then unzip from the chair. Now, unzip both sides of the body pad from the chair. With the backrest pad folded onto the seat, pull to remove the white and purple hoses from their fittings on the back of the pad. Lift the upholstered flap on the left-hand side of the seat to access the heat cable connector. Slide the protective cover down to disconnect the heat cable and remove the backrest pad. Place the cable underneath the upholstered flap and press the flap down onto the seat to secure the hook and loop fastener onto the seat. Insert the two purple hoses onto the lower fittings on the back of the seat portion of the backrest pad, pushing firmly to ensure the hoses are fully inserted. Then, insert the white hoses onto the upper pad fittings. Push firmly to secure. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the top of the chair frame. Then zip both sides of the pad to the chair from the top down. Now, zip the seat portion of the backrest pad to the chair seat. Then tuck the knee cushion underneath the pad to zip the bottom of the backrest pad to the foot and calf upholstery. Reinstall the softening pad by zipping it to the top of the backrest pad.